Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a real sketch. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a variety of pencils, perhaps a 2B, a 4B, and a 6B for different shades, along with good quality paper and a kneaded eraser. Understanding basic drawing principles like line weight and perspective is crucial. We'll start with simple exercises to get comfortable with your materials and build confidence in your strokes. Now, let's dive into essential techniques. Controlling line weight is key. A lighter touch for initial outlines and firmer pressure for defining details. Experiment with cross-hatching, stippling, and blending to create a full range of tonal values, from pure white to deep black. Spend at least 50 minutes daily practicing these fundamental skills. Drawing simple objects like a cube or a sphere will greatly improve your understanding of light and shadow. Moving on, understanding form and perspective is vital for realistic sketches. Observe how light hits an object, creating distinct highlights, midtones, and cast shadows. Practice one-point perspective for interiors and two-point perspective for exterior scenes, ensuring your lines converge correctly. Simplifying complex subjects into basic shapes like cylinders, cubes, and spheres will make them much easier to draw accurately. This foundational knowledge is a game changer. Finally, let's talk about refining your work and developing your unique style. Take time to review your sketches, identifying areas for improvement, perhaps adjusting a line or deepening a shadow. Don't be afraid to experiment with different pencil grades or even charcoal to see what effects you can achieve. Consistent practice, even for just 30 minutes a day, is the most effective way to continuously enhance your artistic abilities and truly make your sketches come alive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.